Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create an autonomous AI database. First, we click the Create Autonomous AI Database button. As you can see, we need to give our database a friendly display name. I am going to call mine Data Sentinel Source. Go ahead and type it. Next, I'm going to give the database name something easy, like DSOURCE for simplicity. We're going to keep it in the root compartment, which I blocked for privacy reasons. Next, we choose the workload type. I'm selecting transaction processing because it's perfect for high concurrency and short-running queries and transactions, ideal for most applications. We leave the database configuration on the default always free tier. Next, we set up the administrator credentials. The username is admin by default. I'm going to enter a strong password here. Always make sure to remember your password. I'm going to choose Secure Access from Anywhere, so I can connect to the database from any location using the credentials. Next are the advanced options. I'm quickly expanding them just to show you what's available: Elastic Pool, maintenance settings, migration options, and more. For my use case, the defaults are perfectly fine, so I'll leave them as they are. Now we go ahead and create the database. Let's click Create. Awesome. There it is, our new autonomous database called Data Sentinel Source. It's currently in the provisioning state. You can see all the details here: the OCID, the workload type, version, and more. Once it's fully available, you can ignore the temporary error message. As soon as it becomes available, you'll be able to connect and use it right away. That's it.